But then I've put, for no reason, dishes in the middle and one in the left. Now, I do miss the left one, I won't. Yes, but we'll just move it over. And that one wants to look at it with adjustment axis. There's 3 seats too many in that one. Here we go. Oh, hang on. Stop again. Now, having filled them, one out to them back where I got them from.
Making this and not
Yes, some in that one as well, and do up my sleeve. There's the shake. Oh, okay. That's why, that's good. Put the whole tub in there and just get them.
no!
Yes, don't know. Sometimes once they've got them on the desk going it. Now, solution to the problem, rip that off. It's cold in here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you want this off?
Yeah.
Or on? Okay. Now I'm going to just get down to it now. It's back on the floor probably. Give it 2 and a 16. Okay. Thank you. Right. Time's money. Come on. Get yourself back to where you should be. Place it at the side. And then figure out the family cup.
Oh, no.
Cut out the middleman here. And get it straight there for it. Problem, I'm not sure what's this now.
Just leave it.
Oh, that's it. Loose it over the arm. That's the way. Excellent. Now I can go down the aisles.
Now I can go 3 miles away to get some water.
Okay.
She's missing some dirt, she doesn't know what it is yet.
That's the situation. Stir, a bit of a stir now. See if I can stir for a while.
Catherine, what are you missing? Are you looking for a cup?